If you're a gamer looking to squeeze every bit of performance out of your Windows machine, you might have heard of Atlas OS. But does it really deliver on its promises, or is it just another optimization tool? Let's dive in. Atlas OS is designed specifically for gamers, aiming to optimize Windows for the best performance possible. It offers a streamlined experience by removing unnecessary bloatware and tweaking system settings to enhance gaming performance. Upon installation, it presents a clean interface that's user-friendly, even for those not particularly tech-savvy. What stands out is its focus on reducing background processes that can hog resources during gameplay. This is particularly appealing for competitive gamers who need every frame per second. The installation process is relatively straightforward, and it caters to a wide range of systems, which is a plus. However, some users might find the lack of detailed documentation a bit frustrating. While the core functionalities are clear, there's limited guidance on advanced settings. It's also worth noting that this OS is primarily geared towards gamers, so if you're looking for a general purpose operating system, you might want to consider other options. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, Atlas OS offers impressive performance improvements, especially in gaming scenarios. Users report smoother gameplay and faster load times, which is exactly what you want. On the downside, the lack of comprehensive documentation can leave some users in the dark, especially when it comes to troubleshooting. Additionally, because it's tailored for gaming, non-gamers might find it lacking in features for everyday use. Pricing is also a consideration. While it's not exorbitant, it's worth noting that free alternatives exist. Overall, Atlas OS might not be for everyone, particularly casual users who need a more versatile system. But for dedicated gamers looking to optimize their setup, it could be a worthwhile investment. In conclusion, Atlas OS is a solid choice for gamers wanting to enhance their Windows performance. If you're serious about gaming and willing to navigate some initial hurdles, it could be worth trying. However, if you're looking for a more general operating system, you might want to explore other alternatives.